Hello everyone. Today we will take a leap into the future of workplace bullying prevention by exploring how artificial intelligence, AI, and automation can be used to help organizations detect, prevent, and address bullying before it becomes a larger issue. With the rapid advent of AI technologies, companies now have more tools at their disposal to create a safer and more respectful work environment. While AI is not a replacement for human empathy or judgment, it can play a powerful role in identifying patterns of toxic behavior, alerting HR teams to potential problems, and even helping employees build better communication habits. In this lecture, we will examine how AI and automation can assist in bullying prevention, discuss the potential challenges and ethical concerns, and explore practical applications of these technologies in modern workplaces. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to understand how AI and automation can assist in bullying prevention strategies. Learn about the benefits and potential risks of using AI to monitor workplace behavior. Explore practical ways to integrate AI and automation into organizations' bullying prevention framework. AI and automation have the potential to transform the way we manage workplace behavior. These technologies can analyze large amounts of data, detect patterns that might indicate bullying, and even predict where conflicts may arise. Let's look at some of the key ways AI can help prevent workplace bullying. AI tools can monitor emails, messaging platforms, and other forms of digital communication to detect harmful language, inappropriate behavior, or signs of cyberbullying. By analyzing text for patterns such as aggressive language, exclusionary behavior, or sarcastic remarks that could be interpreted as bullying, AI systems can flag these communications for review by HR. These tools are not designed to punish employees automatically, but rather to alert HR when communication patterns suggest that bullying might be occurring. This allows HR to intervene early before situation escalates. AI can also track behavioral patterns across multiple communication channels. For example, if an employee is consistently excluded from team emails or meetings, or if their contributions are frequently ignored or dismissed, AI systems can detect these trends over time. By identifying these patterns, AI helps HR teams uncover subtle forms of bullying, such as exclusion or isolation, that may be harder to detect in day-to-day interactions. Early detection gives HR the opportunity to take corrective action before the victim feels overwhelmed or disengaged. AI-powered tools can be integrated into communication platforms to provide real-time feedback to employees. For instance, if someone is about to send a message that uses harsh or inappropriate language, the system might prompt the user with a gentle reminder to reconsider the tone of their message. This feature promotes self-awareness and encourages employees to reflect on their communication styles. Over time, it can help foster a more respectful and positive communication culture across the organization. AI can be used to analyze employees' surveys, feedback, or chat room discussions to detect shifts in workplace sentiment. By examining the overall tone of communication, AI systems can identify when morale is dropping or when teams are experiencing heightened tensions. This insight allows HR to proactively address potential problems, preventing them from escalating into bullying situations. In addition, AI can help automate the process of sending anonymous surveys to employees asking about their experiences with workplace culture and bullying. This feedback provides valuable data on employee well-being and helps organizations identify areas where improvements can be made. The use of AI and automation offers several clear advantages in bullying prevention. Early detection. AI can spot subtle patterns and trends in behavior that might go unnoticed by human observers. Early detection allows for swift intervention, preventing bullying from escalating. Scalability. AI systems can analyze large volumes of data quickly, making it easier to monitor communication across an entire organization, especially in larger companies where it's difficult to manually track behavior. Consistency. AI applies the same standards across the board, ensuring that all employees are held to the same level of accountability, regardless of position or status. Encouraging positive behavior. Real-time feedback tools help employees become more mindful of their actions and encourage respectful communication habits over time. While AI and automation offer significant benefits in bullying prevention, they also come with ethical concerns and challenges that organizations must address. One of the biggest concerns with AI-based monitoring is employee privacy. If employees feel like every email or message is being scrutinized by an algorithm, they may feel uncomfortable or distrustful of the organization. Transparency is crucial when implementing these systems. Employees need to know what is being monitored, why, and how the data will be used. AI systems are not perfect, and there's always risk of false positives, flagging benign communication as problematic. For example, sarcasm or jokes between colleagues could be misinterpreted by AI system as harmful. To avoid penalizing employees unnecessarily, it is important that AI systems are used to assist HR, not replace human judgment. HR should always review flagged communication before taking action. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the algorithms are trained on biased data, they may unintentionally reinforce existing biases in the workplace, such as disproportionately flagging certain groups or individuals. Organizations need to ensure that AI systems are built and trained with diverse and unbiased data to prevent discriminatory outcomes. While AI and automation can enhance bullying prevention, they should not replace human interaction or empathy. Some aspects of workplace bullying, such as emotional manipulation or passive-aggressive behavior, are difficult for AI to detect. HR and leadership teams must still play an effective role in fostering a respectful culture through personal engagement, training, and open communication. Now that we've discussed both the benefits and the challenges, let's look at how AI and automation can be practically applied in the workplace to support bullying prevention. Many companies already use AI-based systems to monitor workplace communication. Tools like AI-based chat monitoring or email sentiment analysis can be integrated into existing platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to monitor the tone and content of communications. These systems can send alerts to HR when potentially harmful behavior is detected, allowing for early intervention. Some organizations use AI-powered plugins for communication platforms that provide real-time feedback on messaging. For example, before sending an email, employees might receive a prompt encouraging them to revise the tone or rephrase the message if it comes across as harsh or critical. This type of feedback promotes more thoughtful and respectful communication in day-to-day interactions. Using AI to analyze workplace sentiment through surveys, employee feedback, or even patterns in digital communication helps HR teams stay ahead of potential issues. Regular pulse surveys or engagement analysis can reveal drops in morale or trust, indicating where teams might need additional support or conflict resolution efforts. Let's look at a story that shows the practical use of AI in action. A large multinational tech company noticed an increase in team conflicts across their remote workforce. To address this, they implemented an AI-driven platform that monitored communication on their collaboration tools. The AI tracked patterns of exclusionary behavior, passive-aggressive language, and other signs of potential bullying. In one instance, the system flagged that an employee, Alex, was frequently excluded from group discussions and never responded to in team meetings. HR reviewed the communication history and realized that while no overt bullying was happening, Alex was being subtly ignored and left out of important conversations. HR intervened by addressing the issue with the team, offering inclusion training and speaking privately with Alex to ensure they felt supported. The result? The team became more conscious of including everyone, and Alex reported feeling more valued and engaged in their work. The moral of this story? AI can help detect behaviors that might otherwise go unnoticed, giving HR the opportunity to step in before the situation worsens. Think of AI like an early warning system, similar to a smoke detector. The smoke detector doesn't stop the fire itself, but it gives you an early alert so that you can take action before the fire spreads. In the same way, AI doesn't solve bullying or conflict on its own, but it provides valuable insights that help organizations catch problems early and address them proactively. The key is having both the technology and human response teams in place to act on those alerts effectively. I would like you to research an AI tool designed for workplace communication or behavior monitoring and outline how it could be implemented in a company to prevent bullying. Consider both the benefits and potential ethical concerns of using this tool. That wraps up today's lecture. In our next session, we will summarize key insights from the entire course and discuss the future of workplace bullying prevention. Thanks for your attention, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts next time.